when Australia lost a war against birds. In 1932, Australia fought a war against birds. And guess what? The birds won. This is the unbelievable story of the Great Emu War. After World War I, Australian farmers were given land to grow crops. But there was one big problem. 50,000 emus invaded the fields, eating the crops and causing chaos. The Australian government decided to fight back. They sent soldiers with Lewis machine guns to hunt down the emus. It sounded like an easy victory, but they were wrong. The soldiers opened fire, but the emus were too fast. They ran in all directions, dodging bullets like trained escape artists. Even when hit, some emus just kept running. After weeks of battle, the soldiers had used up thousands of bullets but barely made a dent in the emu population. The government finally admitted defeat. The emus had won. The Great Emu War became one of the most bizarre military failures in history. Today, emus still roam freely in Australia, proving that sometimes nature wins. What do you think? Should Australia have tried again? Comment below and don't forget to like and subscribe for more crazy.